Good afternoon. Just give you a brief intro about yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Shahid Gul. I belong to Kulgam in Jammu and Kashmir. I have done my schooling locally, then did my B.Tech from CGC College of Engineering, Landra, Mohali. After B.Tech, I did a job for around 7 months and left that and got involved myself in the family business. Continued with it, and along with it was preparing for this government job, sir.
Okay. So, in which year you just completed your B.Tech?
Sir, 2018, sir, I have completed my B.Tech.
Now already 5 years have been gone. So, what are you doing in the last 5 years?
Sir, as I said, I was involved in my family business, sir. We are in apple growers, commissioning and forwarding agents.
So why you switch the job here when you have a just good family business, you have a good income? So why you want to join a JKPSC?
Sir, joining business was never in mind as a permanent solution. It was always there to join this engineering sector. I was just waiting for a good opportunity, which I got here, sir.
Okay. So for which subject you want to give us now?
Sir, SOM, sir.
Okay. Just define difference between a beam, column, and strut.
Difference between beam, column, and strut, sir.
Beam, column, and struts.
Yes, sir. So, sir, beam is a member that is for which loading is vertical to the longitudinal axis, sir. And strut is for which loading is axial to the longitudinal axis, sir. And column, a vertical strut is called a column, sir.
Only vertical structure is called a column. There is no need to apply any load.
Sir, load will apply along the longitudinal axis, sir.
Okay. Along the longitudinal axis, है ना?
No, sir, it can be eccentric also, but a vertical strut, sir, is a column. Load can be eccentric also to a column.
What are the various assumptions in the bending equation?
Sir, first assumption is material should be homogeneous and isotropic, sir. Sir, it should follow Hooke's law. Third is, sir, the section should be prismatic, that area cross section should be same along the length. And third is that the various layers should not interfere in each other while extending or while elongating or contracting, sir.
What do you mean by homogeneous and isotropic?
Sir, homogeneous is along a particular direction at all points. Sir, we have same properties. And isotropic is at a point in all directions we are having same properties.
Okay, can you define the Hooke's law?
Hooke's law says that linear stress is proportional to strain within elastic limit, sir. Up to proportional limit.
What is the difference between the proportional limit and elastic limit?
Sir, up to proportional limit, sir, variation of stress with strain is a linear function, sir. And up to elastic limit, material can regain its original shape, sir.
Okay. Can you draw the curve for the brittle material? Stress strain curve for the brittle material, cast iron.
Brittle material, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what I have to say about this brittle? Sorry, sir.
Can you draw the stress strain curve for the brittle material?
Yes, sir. It will not be having this yielding, the yielding portion, sir. Because
okay. Or
there is
for
no
a mild
steel.
How does it look like for a mild steel?
For mild steel, there will be like upper yield along up to what it's said from elastic point. There will be definite upper yield and lower yield points because it's a ductile material and it has got this yielding property, sir.
Can you draw this?
Yes,
how
sir.
it look like?
1 minute, sir.
बेटा इसमें मुझे क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि आपने कौन सा पॉइंट कहाँ बनाया, स्ट्रेस कहाँ लिया, स्ट्रेन कहाँ लिया?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. This is, sir, strain. This is, sir, stress. This will be my proportional limit. Then close to this, there will be, sir, elastic limit. Then we have, sir, upper yielding point. Then we have lower yield point. Lower yield point. Then we have, sir, maximum stress or ultimate. This is, sir, sorry, fracture point. Sorry, maximum stress. Sorry, I'm not remembering exactly. And then this is a fracture point. I think this is ultimate stress, sir. And this is fracture point, sir.
Okay. So here you are just representing the stress on the y-axis and the strain on the x-axis. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir,
We
for
can
this,
interchange it.
sorry, sir, no idea for this, sir.
Okay. Can you draw the curve for the true stress versus true strain?
True stress. Sir, as of now, sir, I don't have an exact idea of this, sir.
Okay. Can you just define the upper yield point and lower yield point?
Upper yield point. Sir, upper yield point is, there is this effect called as a quartile effect, sir. That defines upper yield point, because when we elongate our, what we say, like workpiece, so due to this compression, the impurities present at the interstitial sites try to move to a dislocation, thereby strengthens this material, due to which stress rises, sir. Once we cross this quartile effect, sir, the stress again decreases, due to which we get lower yield points, sir.
Okay, if I am just want to consider the these 2 points, so which point we are just going to consider for the ductile material?
Ductile material, sir. For ductile material, sorry, sir, no idea, sir.
क्या नाम है आपका? So little bit I feel so that कि देखो ये बहुत common curve है और इसमें questions from क्वेश्चन पूछे ना, अदर देन दैट यू आर जस्ट कंफर्टेबल बट नॉट बी गुड। मैं फ्रेंकली कह रहा हूँ, आपको थोड़ा सा एफर्ट करना है, मेहनत करनी है। आपकी कंसेप्ट मुझे थोड़ा कहने के लैक लग रहा है, हो सकता है आपने रिवाइज नहीं किया हो, ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा वो चीज आप क्लियर करो और थोड़ा स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व को अच्छे से पढ़ो। और ये प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है कि स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन कर्व पूछ लेते जनरली।
ओके सर।
यानी सोम में थ्योरी पोर्शन बहुत कम है।
ओके सर।
अगर डिजाइन में जाएंगे तब थ्योरी पोर्शन थोड़ा बढ़ता है, लेकिन अगर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल से कोई आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है तो उसमें से ये वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस है।
ओके सर।
इन्हें अच्छे से आपको पढ़ना है ना?
ओके सर।
कि स्ट्रेस एक्स पे क्यों लिया, स्ट्रेन वाई पे क्यों लिया, ठीक है? जो भी आपने देखा कर्व ये बनाया, कर्व भी आपका सही नहीं बना, पता है?
यस सर, आई विल गो थ्रू दिस सर।
ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर यू जस्ट गिव द स्टेप,
ओके सर,
प्रिपेयर वेरी केयरफुली, है ना?
ओके सर।
ओके, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।